Hey fellow traders, in this video we're gonna take a look at the stop loss take profit indicator for MT4. You can download the indicator by the link in the description below. To run the indicator, simply drag the stop loss take profit indicator from the indicator list to your MT4 chart. And please don't forget to click on the yellow daily imports in the settings window. The trade entry point is crucial for successful trading. However, most traders overlook the importance of exit points. That explains why the most traders don't realize good profit despite doing exemplary analysis. You see, you must have a predetermined trade exit point. In other words, you must decide your trade take profit where you exit after getting your target profit. Also, you must set the stop loss point where you close the trade if it fails. Stop loss take profit indicator is designed to solve this problem. The indicator analyzes the market and determines the trend direction. It then provides you with an ideal entry point. Depending on the determined buying or selling price, the indicator will provide you with exit points levels. Using the stop loss take profit indicator is pretty much straightforward. You don't have to plot lines or make calculations, simply mount the indicator on the price chart. The indicator analyzes the chart and calculates the ideal entry point, stop loss and take profit levels. It then displays the value on the chart. In fact, the stop loss take profit draws lines to show where to enter and when to exit. The indicator provides 3 take profit levels. Therefore, if you are a scalper, the first take profit will appeal to you most. A day trader will find the second take profit target most suitable, while the third take profit will suit swing traders. The indicator tells you whether the trend is up or down, then it shows the buy or sell levels. The indicator also shows the risk-reward ratio. In addition, the indicator also features 4 lines. Lime shows the current day high, orange-red shows the previous day open, dark orange, this shows the previous day close, and medium blue points to the current day low. The indicator doesn't come with input settings. This means you cannot tweak or spruce up values. However, it allows you to alter the color on the 4 lines. The stop loss take profit is one of the best and easy to use indicator. You only need to look at the provided entry point, stop loss and take profit levels. Simply enter the values and you're good to go. Remember, no indicator to foolproof. You will want to use other strategies and indicators for signal confirmation. And you can download the indicator by the link in the description below. Bye bye!